The plant is of grand scale, located in Tokyo's 23 wards, with a ground area of about 75,000 square meters. It is surely the flagship of Nippon Kinzoku. This is Nippon Kinzoku Itabashi Plant. In our Itabashi plant, we produce 4 types of products from materials provided by steel and alloy manufacturers: cold-rolled stainless steel strips, cold-rolled special steel strips, magnesium alloy strips, and ultra-thin electrical steel strips. Thus, we provide a wide variety of products tailored to our customers' specifications. For the manufacturing of each product, we combine in-house designed facilities and experienced operation methods with our unique rolling and heat treatment technology, realizing a leading-edge advantage in thickness accuracy, design features, and functionality. So how do we realize these advantages? First, let's look at the cold rolling technology that is at the core of all these advantages. Cold rolling is a processing method that rotates 2 rollers with a normal temperature and passes a material between these rollers to make it thin. In our Itabashi plant, we appropriately use several types of rolling mills through operation methods learned from our years of experience. And for all of these mills, we are introducing the latest systems such as high-precision and non-contact X-ray thickness gauges and automatic gauge control systems, also called AGC, which minimize the changes in thickness. By combining these technologies, we realize a strict thickness accuracy with a thickness tolerance of ±1 micrometer, and provides stainless steel foil with a minimum thickness of 20 micrometers. In such a way, we deliver the highest possible quality in the steel industry to our customers. Annealing is a heat treatment method that softens a material that has been hardened by rolling, thereby making it easy to process. For annealing of stainless steel, we perform continuous annealing that continuously inserts materials into a furnace, and this method is broadly divided into 2 types. This is our air annealing and pickling line, called AP. In this line, stainless steel is heated to nearly 1,000 degrees Celsius and washed with an acid solution. This annealing method is characterized by making the surface of the stainless steel a milky white color after these processes. On the other hand, this is our bright annealing line, called BA. In this line, the inside of a furnace is made into a non-oxidizing atmosphere. Unlike air annealing, this annealing method is characterized by keeping the stainless steel surface mirror-like and glossy. In our Itabashi plant, we carry out heat treatment to produce suitable materials for our customers' needs by using multiple annealing lines. In the final process, we perform skin pass rolling, a kind of temper rolling for an annealed material according to its specifications. Skin pass rolling can give a mirror-like finish to the stainless steel surface by performing temper rolling with rollers that have polished mirror-like surfaces. In addition, we manage a well-equipped superior inspection system in our Itabashi plant, which includes automatic surface inspection apparatus that can detect minor scratches and only delivers stainless steel products that have passed strict inspections of their mechanical properties and appearance. Cold-rolled special steel strips were developed by Nippon Kinzoku, which was the first to develop them in Japan. And these products have always evolved with our company's growth ever since our foundation. Our policy of 100% built-to-order system has been established with the production of cold-rolled special steel strips, and Nippon Kinzoku has adopted this policy for all types of products. Based on strict thickness accuracy, we offer a variety of product lineups, such as heat-treated products, to flexibly meet our customers' needs. We are always actively developing new products, and in 2002, we succeeded in integrally manufacturing large coils with a wide width made of magnesium, the lightest of all practical metals. This was a first in Japan. In our Itabashi plant, we have also been manufacturing electrical steel, which has been used as the core of a motor for more than 50 years, as well as electrical steel strips with a thickness of less than 0.1 millimeter, which are the only products of their kind in Japan. In our Itabashi plant, we manufacture products in this way, and these products are put to work all over the world. For example, our products are adopted for various purposes in cars, such as parts in driving systems and interiors, and especially stainless steel for the metal frames of car windows is highly regarded for its quality, and we proudly have large shares in both the domestic and overseas markets. In addition, for IT devices such as personal computers and smartphones, our products are applied to electronic components, as well as the chassis that support their sensitive operation with a high accuracy of thickness and functionality. Furthermore, we have the largest share in the domestic markets of products for medical injection needles and the cases of button cells, and provide precision and highly value-added products for industrial machines, medical instruments, and stationery. Thus, we provide several thousand types of products per year for the world, and these products are used for all purposes, making thinner, stronger, more functional, and beautiful products. In our Nippon Kinzoku Itabashi Plant, we will keep providing products that will keep working in the ever-changing age we live in, while constantly meeting the wide variety of our customers' needs.